오늘은 목요일 3월 12일입니다. 목요일 3월 12일 오후 날씨는 흐리고 온도는 섭씨 10도, 화씨로는 50도 정도 되는 것 같습니다. 트레일에 크로스 컨트리를 하는 학생들도 있고, 오늘은 8마일 뛰기 두 번째 준비, 3마일 걷기와 3마일 뛰기를 하겠습니다. 3마일 5km, 3마일 플러스 3마일 6 miles is about 10 km. 내일 모레 토요일 오전에 아마 8마일 13km 13km를 도전을 해보겠습니다. 8마일 챌린지 on half day forest pleasure trail. Trail is us trail. Equestrian trail for horse riding trail and running bike. It is good place to running trail. I'm going to learn this 8 miles trail, and then next week probably 10 miles, so on. Probably go a couple of more months to finish full marathon, 26.2 miles, and then try 31 miles, about 50 kilometer ultra, and then go one more try. Let me see. This point is 25.25 mile mark from Wisconsin and Illinois borderline north. 25.25 mile from the north of Illinois and Wisconsin south borderline, south side. I'm going to go use washroom and then start to run 3 miles straight where I parked. This is a picnic place. Springtime, many people come out for the park, picnic and play, park play, and barbecue. And the washroom is over there by the parking lot. It's a huge grass lawn places in the parking lot, and big tree. They're going to turn all from the brown to green in a month. Right now, all brown. Springtime. Very, very nice place. All gender restaurant.